Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, car system installation. Today we're going to show you a good reason you want to always find a proper installer to do the installation for you, even for simple things as dash cams. So a customer came over here, we had this installed in another shop, and he had a problem that the battery doesn't work anymore. So we checked the battery is defective, but we also noticed how it was installed. So this is a battery pack. This battery, the purpose of it is when the ignition turns off, this will run the camera separately from the vehicle, so it won't keep on draining the vehicle battery. When the ignition turned on, it will get charged. And we had this installed, we've seen that installed directly to constant power, which means this battery always gets power from the car, regardless if the key is on or off, always get power. Therefore, kind of just serving as a link between the vehicle and the camera, never actually turns off, which keeps on draining the car and gonna create a lot of electrical issues. So again, in this case it's a Porsche. Some vehicles are more difficult. So we see a lot of people trying fuse adapters and stuff like that. Dashcam installation is not always as simple. Some vehicles are very simple. Most vehicles are more tricky, especially the new cars with a push button, or digital cars, or European cars. For more information, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.